just waiting in a line to get in a line over there.
Like waiting for line to get in line.
Almost. It's almost time.
I won't get Michael.
Where we're going first? Straight-ish to your left.
Drinking at 8 o'clock in the morning. How did that sound?
It's alright.
Amazing.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Hey. Yeah, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. 5 o'clock when they start, 6 o'clock, whatever. Yeah. Drink, 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 drink. Ordered outer rim, which is this one. We're also gonna order this one, the fuzzy blah 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 blah. And then we're ordering the yum num with the souvenir. The outer rim. I tasted the foam already and this one's good.
This is good.
Mom over there judging because we're drinking at 8 in the morning. They got 2 other ones that we have no non-alcoholic drinks. Kool-Aid, purple Kool-Aid. This one's cute. The other one was Kool-Aid. This one they say it's orange juice. No, we're not. Orange juice. That one's different. The other one was Kool-Aid, orange juice, and this one is interesting. I think this is my favorite one. The outer rim. This environment is so cool.
It's out of this world.
Look at him jamming out. This one was really good. I do not like the foam. The foam in this one is sour, but it numbs your tongue and stuff. So sip from the bottom to the top. Sip it from the bottom to the top. That should be a rap song. They give us like 45 minutes to do the experience, but we're almost done with our drinks, so we might as well just see the land. But we got to see this amazing, beautiful cantina that for sure when it opens and the crowd, everybody finally gets to be here. Yeah, we'll come back.
We gotta come back.
This is gonna be our go-to spot, just like Pandora. Oh, this is way better because I like Pandora, but I don't like the movies. Like it's all right, but I love Star Wars.
That's our thing. That's our thing. A little bit of juice there.
We got the mug.
Keep it.
So we get to keep it. Okay, so when you're done with the mug, you can give it back to them and get a new one with like a box.
And throw it in the bag.
And throw it in the bag and take off. Okay, I think we're gonna go because they close your tab after you finish one. Obviously because they want to get everybody done. Yeah, perfect way to end the night. Copyright.
It's background music. It's okay.
Literally, this is the best way to end the cantina because we're all done.
Yeah. Delicious. If I have 4 hands, okay, 4 thumbs up. But I only
Who would
got
have
2.
thought we would be listening, like being like August Cantina, listening to this OG song.
Never, ever, ever. Only in
You
the
probably can't hear it because of all the noise, but
It's okay, subtitles
DJ's
included.
over there spinning it. Crazy DJ.
Give it to the DJ. Give it to the DJ. Yeah, doing the jams.
My crazy dad. Yeah, that's where I get it. That's where I get it from. All right, and that ends our turn. Woo! Let's go on Smuggler's Run over here. Oh my God, the Millennium Falcon!
Oh my god, look at the Millennium Falcon.
I can't believe this is real. Like, I mean, I've seen it in pictures, obviously, because I spoiled it for myself, but oh my God, oh my God. We're about to do Smuggler's Run. I don't think we're gonna do the lightsaber reservation. We might change our mind tomorrow. When in your life did you ever think you were gonna see the Millennium Falcon? Like a real Millennium Falcon.
I was a kid when I saw the movie. I thought it was
So you're doing Play Disney?
Yep.
What do you do though?
I guess we got to help them out to get out of here.
We gotta help them out. That's pretty cool though.
Hando Akana Onaka.
Ah, they're both doing Play Disney, so Millennium Falcon. And these guys are scanning crates.
Gotta find them.
What do they do though?
I'm not sure. I'm trying to see what they do.
Okay.
I think you're like.
Meanwhile, I'm over here freaking out every second, and they're over here playing a game. Look at them. Okay, so there's 5 of us. I think there's 6 people on each of the rides. So I'm gonna be the pilot. Unless the random person gets picked as a pilot. I'm gonna be sad.
Fill in all available space.
Picking up the cargo, good, good. Then accused us of stealing. Well, see, now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you. What? Don't you dare. I don't.
Now remember, pilots, you have navigate. Gunner, shoot first, ask questions later. Engineers, you fix anything, they bring it along to place. In other words, your job may be easy or hard depending on how well they fly. In other words, don't crash.
Got it?
We just came from August Cantina, so
I've been drinking, huh?
yeah.
No,
There's no DUI in space. There's no DUI in
remember, no drinking on the job.
Forget what we told you.
You don't know what we just said.
Everyone wrong.
We might just fail.
Gonna pilot.
We only have 1 engineer, guys.
We're in the space.
Alrighty guys, go to start buckling up immediately. Time.
That was totally wicked!
Totally, dude.
Hey, dude! Totally, dude! That was so cool! Oh my god.
In there. That was so cool.
We were in the zone,
Sorry,
hitting the hyperspeed.
kind of crashed a little. little?
A little bit.
Olga's Cantina had a latch.
Blame it on the
Next time, different pot. Look at this place.
The marketplace. It's the detail. It's just amazing.
We are back. It's 9:59. I'm pretty sure they're gonna start. Okay, so far,
Amazing.
amazing. First impressions, amazing. First, we went to Olga's Cantina. We got 3 drinks. We weren't about to get 4 because I'm just like, Then we went on to Smuggler's Run. It only took us like maybe 20 minutes?
Yeah, it was
30 minutes?
35, but it was only like 20 minutes.
Yeah, it wasn't that long. If anything, yeah, it could have been 30 minutes, but because the line was so cool, and then they were playing the interactive, the Disney play.
Yeah, definitely
So that was
recommend
pretty
it.
cool.
Pretty cool.
But then, now we had to wait till 10 o'clock so that we can get the ribs, and probably tomorrow, since we have one more reservation, just me and him, we'll get those like sandwich looking hot dogs. I forgot what they're called.
The jerky.
And the jerky. I want to try the jerky, even though I know it's probably going to be just like plain jerky. Plain jerky. But so we got some of the ribs. We got the 2 desserts. Don't ask me what the name of them is. The garden spread, is that what it is? And then some of the chickens. So this one tastes like a chicken pot pie. It's chicken. It looks like mashed potatoes. We're eating it together. Alright, this is our 3rd time doing it. Right before the 11 o'clock people come in. So we're trying to do it as much as we can.
No, it's the same.
Twice that.
I think it'll fit.
Somewhere.
The popcorn, you like it?
Yep, it's good. Good.
What? I don't know what flavor. I can't tell. Like there's red ones, purple ones. All right, so that concludes our Galaxy's Edge part 1, day 1.
Day 1. We still got 2 more.
We didn't get to see Kylo Ren though.
It's okay. We saw Chewie. We saw
My
Rey.
homie. Kylo Ren's my homie.
I want to see R2.
Sometimes.
You gotta see Kylo.
Yeah.
The mouse is from?
What time is it?
But it's over 1.
Oh my god. We're breaking the law. Breaking the
Droids,
Stormtroopers.
Stormtroopers. Can't catch me.
It's okay. They always miss,
Yeah,
right?
it's all good.
It's weird. We're back in we're back in reality. It's like
Well, we're back in
Disneyland. Okay, I feel like Star Wars Land goes better like in Animal Kingdom, somewhere where it doesn't seem like Disneyland. It's weird.
It is.
So weird.
It is weird.
It is, but we'll be back. Did you like it?
It was awesome.
It was amazing. It was amazing. Running on hope. I'm running on hope because I woke up at 3 in the morning, so yeah, it's been one of those days.
Yeah.
But it was worth it. It was worth it. See? Doesn't it pay being the first one in line?
Yes.
Even though you have to wait like
And
2 hours to get
is
in.
3 generations. Me, my daughter, and my grandkids.
It's awesome. It would have been cool to bring Christian here, but he's gonna go in Florida, so